Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric Dufault with Keller Williams, Cape Cod and the Islands, and today I'm going to talk about a strategy I use when I first list a home, when I first put it live on the market, and that's no showings until first open house. Sounds driving. What this entails, normally I'll put the property up for sale on a Tuesday, and between Tuesday and that first weekend I won't let anyone come and see the home. And it sounds kind of odd, a little different, but what happens is between Tuesday and Saturday, Sunday, whenever I do the open houses, that's when you usually get your most interest, in the first 2 weeks of the listing going live. And what I'll do is, instead of, periodically showing it throughout the week, I'll funnel everyone into the open house for the first weekend. And everyone that saw during the week, anyone that called for showings, everyone kind of shows up at the same time for the open house. And that, it kind of creates a frenzy, it creates an urgency, and people see that it's a popular house because everyone that would have seen it during the week are all there at the same time. And there's a number of different reasons why I do that. It creates urgency, it creates aggressive bids, and with that comes bidding wars, more money for my clients. But also on top of that, it keeps, the house is going to be real popular when we first list it. And what happens is you've got to clean, you've got to take the dogs out, the kids out, you've got to prep it, you've got to stage it, and you really want to do that 20, 30 times over the course of the week, or would you rather have it all prep staged, ready to go for the open houses? And it kind of is a little bit more convenient for my clients, but at the same time the strategy is getting the most amount of people into an area at a time to create that frenzy, create that buzz, and usually it leads to more money for my people. So that's one of the strategies I use, is no showings until first open house. If you have any questions or just comments, feel free to reach and drop them down below. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you.